Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you like these videos and want more, be sure to subscribe. We're here to share content that's simple and useful. Let's get started.
Decrypting an IPA file is the process of removing Apple's FairPlay DRM from an iOS application. This allows developers and security researchers to inspect the inner workings of an app. To start, you must have a jailbroken iPhone or iPad. Without a jailbreak, you cannot access the root file system or the memory where the app runs. First, ensure your device is connected to your computer with a reliable USB cable. You will need a tool like Frida or Bagback to handle the heavy lifting. Install the Frida server on your jailbroken device using Cydia or Cilio. On your computer, install the Frida tools using the terminal. Once everything is set up, open your command line interface. Type the specific command to target the app you want to decrypt. The tool will automatically launch the app on your phone. It then dumps the decrypted data directly from the device's RAM. This process bypasses the encryption layers applied by the App Store. After the dump is complete, the tool packages the files back into a clean IPA file. You can find this new file in your output directory. This decrypted version can be used for static analysis or sideloading on other devices. Remember that this process only works for apps you have already downloaded and installed. It does not provide free access to paid apps. Always use these techniques for legal research and educational purposes. Following these steps ensures you get a clean file for your project. The decrypted IPA is now ready for your favorite analysis tools. This standard method is essential for ethical hacking and mobile security auditing.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.